Hello everyone and welcome to another Cal Paints unboxing episode. Today we're going to be looking at the Warhammer Heroes Strike Force Justian. Justian, I don't really know how to say it, but if I butchered it, I apologize. This recording is actually, this voice recording is actually being done after the unboxing. I unboxed it in complete silence. So yeah, if it's a little bit weird, I apologize, but right now I'm just showing you all the size of the box before we get a little knife and open it up. In terms of this channel, I normally talk about Star Wars Legion videos, among other Star Wars properties, but I do have a little bit of an army of Warhammer. I have a little bit of Necrons, I have a little bit of Death Guard, and I've got a full 2,000 point army of Space Marines. Now, my reason of buying these Warhammer Heroes is because they're very cheap, and they come with a captain in them as well. So there is 7 to collect out of all of them, and you actually get 8 boxes. So I always did wonder which one you got 2 of. Now, it turns out it doesn't matter if you buy 1 box or 100 boxes, you're always going to get the same one as a double, but we'll get there a bit later on. So yeah, just opening up this first box now. But yeah, you get a lot of cool units from this. Personally, I don't play the game, but I really do like painting. Painting all the miniatures up, so that's where I find the most enjoyment. And yeah, let's have a look at the first one. So in every box you get a card. This one's for Sergeant Marius, who has a bolt rifle and just fists for his melee weapon. And as we open each box, I'll show you what's on the frame. This one, he kind of just looks like a normal intercessor. He's not too exciting, but the good thing with each of these sprues as well, you do get both head options of a helmet or unhelmeted head. So if you prefer just having them the helmet on or whatever else that's cool, and you can just add the rest to your bits. So as we go ahead and open this second box, this is probably the second coolest person that comes in here. Is a brother Flavian or Flavian. I don't really know how to pronounce this one either, but he is the team sniper. So he has the bolt sniper rifle, and he also has fists for his melee weapons. He actually has the ability Camo Cloak and a unique action of adjusting optics. If you have seen my other videos before, you'll know that I normally do full breakdowns on Star Wars Legion content. I'm not going to do full breakdowns of these guys, just because I'm sure there's people on YouTube who could do a lot better job than me. As I said before, I'll just be painting these guys up. I'm not too into kill team, but the cool thing about this is that they do make a kill team. So this is Brother Achilles. He is a heavy intercessor, and he's got the heavy bolter and the fists, with the ability Bolter Discipline. And now you can probably see, I might have mentioned this just before, but each box does come with 2 cards. One, they're the same card, just one is in Japanese. They're kind of trying to get into the Japanese market with these, apparently, because they are obviously a cheaper way to buy into the hobby, instead of, buying a, you know how it is, buying a big old thing. Here we have Captain Justian himself. He is obviously the captain that comes in the box, and if you do get him, $11 Australian for a full captain is great. He does have the Power Fist and Plasma Pistol, and he's got 3 abilities: Rites of Battle, Shock Assault, and Iron Halo. But yeah, he is very cool. We're just going to have a quick look at the 2 head options. The helmet has one of those nice wreath things going on. He's got some over-the-top little things here and there. And yeah, I really do like the look of this guy. And I'm sure you can probably kit bash a lot of these guys, even though they're the kind of easier to build for, models. You could probably kit bash them with whatever you had sitting around available. You don't have to build them as they are, but that's kind of the good thing about them, is that you have that option. So here we have Brother Vignius. Not to spoil anything that comes later, but I hope you do like seeing this guy, because he is actually repeated. He is the model that you get 2 of if you buy one of these boxes. sealed. So yeah, he has a auto bolt rifle and fists like nearly everyone else with the ability bolter discipline. But yeah, I guess he has a pretty good pose, and you could make one with the helmet, make one without the helmet, make them have, twin brothers. I don't know, whatever you really want to do. But if you do decide to make a kill team from these models, you do only bring the six, not the full eight. Not even seven, because there's seven unique models, but you don't actually bring all of them. So yeah, well, like I just said, there is our second brother Vignius, which means that the last guy is the only one we haven't seen yet, which is just in this box here. It's always nice that you get a full set if you buy the sealed box, which always isn't the case with these blind box like scenarios, but because they're obviously advertising it as a kill team, I'm just glad you get one of all of them. So yeah, here is Brother Thysaur with a bolt rifle and also fists. And his whole thing is he has a smoke grenade that he's throwing there with his left arm, which is his unique action. But yeah, I just thought these guys are really neat and a very cheap option of getting some nice unique minis. My sister actually bought one of them for me as a gift, I believe. Maybe even two of them, but yeah, it ended up being like, I think it was Brother Thysaur. No, it was Brother Vignius again, I believe, and also Brother Achilles, the heavy bolter guy. So it was super cool. So yeah, we're just gonna go. We're just swinging through all the cards one more time. And thank you very much for watching. I do hope you stick around and watch some of our other content. Yeah, and have a great rest of your day. Thanks for watching.